Huron, Wingham Fire. Please respond to 98 Alfred Street West. That's 98 Alfred Street West. That'll be between Leopold and Minnie for a report of a smoke detector sounding. Unknown smell in the residence. North Huron, Wingham Fire. Please respond. Attention North Huron, Wingham Fire. Attention North Huron, Wingham Fire. Please respond to 98 Alfred Street West. That's 98 Alfred Street West between Leopold and Minnie. Smoke detector sounding in the residence. Unknown smell, no flames seen at this time. All parties are vacating. North Huron, Wingham Fire, please respond. Attention North Huron Blyth Fire, this is an information page that Wingham Station's responding to a smoke detector sounding at 98 Alfred Street West in the town of Wingham. 10 North Huron pages, 11415.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 2.
Go ahead.
Page acknowledged for Wingham Station. You can show Car 2 responding. Also mark that this caller called my cell phone before calling 911, please.
Roger that. Car 2 acknowledged. Car 2 responding. Car 2 received call on cell phone prior to 911 being called at 1:14:51.
Fire dispatch, Car 2 on scene. Nothing showing. I will be investigating.
Roger, Car 2's on scene. Nothing showing. Would you like ambulance and OP to attend?
That's negative at this time. Let me see what's going on here first.
Roger that. Negative for OPP and ambulance. 11617.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1.
Go ahead, Engine 1.
You can show Engine 1 responding Alpha Bravo +3 belted to 98 Alfred West.
Roger that. Engine 1 responding. Alpha Bravo +3. You're belted. 11847.
Engine 1, Car 2. Go ahead, Car 2, Engine 1. Yeah, I got a strong electrical smell inside the residence here. I'll bring in the camera. Yeah, roger that. Do you want us to take the hydrant, Car 2? At this time, let's just come in. There is a hydrant around the corner, but let's be ready. Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1 on scene.
Roger that. Engine 1, you're on scene at 11943.
Car 2, Car 3. Go ahead, Car 3, Car 2.
Do you want me to dispatch any trucks out of the Blyth station or just wait?
Can you guys just hang at the station for now until we see what's going on? Right now, there's nothing showing, but you do have an electrical smell, so just stand by.
Confirm that, Car 2.
Fire dispatch, you can show Bravo Command and mobile.
Roger that. Bravo's command and mobile at 12050.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show we have a team entering the building to do an investigation.
Roger that. Team is entering the building 12247.
Command, Car 2. You command. you have car 4 come in, please?
Roger that, it's on site.
Car 3, car 2.
Go ahead, car 2, car 3.
Yeah, we're still investigating. We do have an electrical smell. I'm going to have you move tank 9 this way anyway, code 1 for now until we find out what's going on here.
Confirm that. Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Dispatch, could you put out a single page to the Blyth station just for a crew to respond, please?
Roger that. Attention North Huron Blyth firefighters, please respond to your call. Wingham Station does require a crew to respond to 98 Alfred Street West in Wingham. Again, Blyth firefighters, please respond to your call.
Entry 1, command.
Go ahead, command, entry 1.
Could I just get an update, please?
Yeah, at this point, we do have our multi-gas meter going off with high levels of CO. We're still trying to source this electrical smell.
Roger that.
Command, entry 1.
Go ahead, entry 1, command.
Have a set of irons come to the door. I want you to pull a pre-connect off at this door as well, okay?
Yeah, roger that.
Command, entry team 1.
Go ahead, entry 1, command.
Yeah, also on that update, I'm sure you caught, but I have tank 9 coming this way, code 1, until we know what's going on.
Yeah, roger that. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
News show our multi-gas is detecting we have CO levels. We are still investigating. We do have a pre-connect line stretched to the door at this time.
Roger that, I copy. CO levels are detected. It's 144.
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 9 responding, car 3 plus 5 belted.
Roger, tank 9 responding, car 3 plus 5, you're belted. 144.47.
Command, entry team 1.
Go ahead, entry 1, command.
We're going to need a sawzall, some hand tools, and salvage covers. We're going to have to start making some holes in here. We got something going on. We're just not 100% sure where it is.
Yeah, roger that.
Command, entry team 1. Send me one more guy in at the top of the stairs, please.
Yeah, roger that. Fire dispatch, you can show tank 9 arriving scene.
Roger, tank 9 is on scene, 2 o'clock.
Tank 9, you can just pull up behind ladder 2 there and send your manpower to staging. Confirm that, command. Blyth station, call car 3.
that, Car 3.
Blyth Station, at this time we're going to need no any more response here, so you can return home.
Roger that, Car 3. Command, entry team 1. Go ahead, entry 1, command. Yeah, we've got our electrical smell has dissipated. Also, CO levels have dropped to 0. We think we sourced the problem to a water heater. We're just trying to duplicate the problem, so just stand by. Roger that. Command, Car 2. Go ahead, Car 2, command. You want to set up a team to ventilate the structure? Yeah, roger that. Car 2, the fan's coming to the Bravo side door. Yeah, roger, we're down in the basement, so have them open that door and just pull the air out. Yeah, roger that. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
We do have CO levels down to 0 in the basement. We think we've sourced the issue. We're just doing some further investigation, and we are going to do some ventilation.
Roger, CO level to 0 in basement. You're going to do some ventilation at 251-36.
Command, entry team 1. Go ahead and join command. Yeah, we sourced the problem to the water heater. We're going to shut the gas off and disconnect the water heater. You can pack up the hose lines, and if you could start the paperwork, that'd be great. Yeah, roger that.
Fire dispatch, tank 9. Dispatch, you can show tank 9 clearing the scene, return to Blyth Station.
Roger, tank 9 clear, return to Blyth. It's 312-23.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show we have 0 readings, CO through the whole structure. We have sourced it to a gas water heater. Command is terminated. Property is being left with the homeowner. All units returning to Wingham Station.
Roger that. 0 readings, CO through the structure, sourced to gas water heater. Command terminated. Property turned over. All units clear, returning at 322-24.